In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft Java and Bedrock server for free. So first of all, to make like a Java server, let's just start like that. You'll have to go, first of all, let me just go and open any browser that you want, go to the URL section, and you will have to type minecraft.net/download/server. Go ahead and do so, and this will basically take you here. So as you can see here, you'll find the Java edition server. You'll have to download this as an example. Just go and click on that option and it will download. Just click on save. And once it does, or once you download it, you'll have to place it in a new folder and run it once to generate the config files. Of course, make sure that you have Java downloaded as well. If you don't have it downloaded, you'll have to go and look for Java download and make sure to download it. And now, as an example, let's Bedrock players join your Java server. You'll have to install like something called JSerMC and also Floodgate. So you can go and open a new tab, and simply in here you can type JSerMC.com or .org normally. So once you do so, you'll be taken here. Again, you'll have to go and click on download. You can see also here the setup instructions example if you want to know everything. And also example, if you want it to be like a host provider or self-hosted, it will be different from one into another, and you'll be able to download. As an example, normally I would download like Fabric, so just go and download it. Oh, never mind, you'll have, of course, first of all to click on like this Floodgate as we said, and yeah, from here example you'll have to download like the Floodgate and also the JSerMC. So download them both. Once you download them both, you will have, of course, a file. Let me just try and click something, as an example, 2 files. What you'll have to do is simply place those files in the plugin folder of your server. You'll need the server jar like Paper or Spygot, as an example, and these bridge Bedrock players into basically your Java servers. Now, one thing like for this Floodgate, the download might be a little bit different. So you can go here and click on download. As an example, they'll tell you to download it within the app, or basically selecting a platform or selecting a version. So you can select a version, then the platform example, make sure to choose Fabric, click on download, and they should give you the file. So as an example now, I do have here my server. You can just go and double click on that example, and it will basically start running. For me, it will not run because I have something disabled in Java. For you, it should be good to go. So basically, once you downloaded all of them and put them in the same like folder, you'll basically, if you want to like set up some configure like your JSerm, so you can go and open a file called config.wml on the same folder, of course, in the JSerm folder, and you'll have to set simply remote address, so localhost and port to your Java server port. So you'll have just then to save it and restart the server. And now basically Bedrock players can connect using your Java server IP and port whatever it is. So Java players, they can simply just join using their normal IP in Minecraft, and Bedrock players, they'll have to enter the same IP with just the port that you set. And you can find, of course, your IP. So you can just go and type what is my IP like address in Google. So address in Google, and you'll be able to know it. Or you can simply go and find that into the settings. And of course, if you don't want to host from your own PC, you can find other options like Alternos, like one of the most like free servers that you can find is Alternos, as an example. So there are a lot of tutorials about it if you want to go and check it out. And there's also like the Minehut. So minehut.com is example. Also, this one is a good free server. If you want to go just and create your server, you'll have, of course, to create an account, and they'll give you the instructions of everything. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.